Well, in the last video, we have seen a simple example of adding numbers using complementary number technique. Here is the third example of dealing with little bit more complicated numbers like a 3-digit number. So 456 plus 361 plus 244 plus 119 plus 11 equals to what? Without knowing the complementary numbers technique, you would have ended up adding this like 456, 361, 244, 119 and 11 like this, right? So instead of this method, if you know complementary numbers, upon inspection of this number, you would immediately say that 456 and 244 are related, 244 are related, which means they are complement. Plus 244, you group it because 6 and 4 are complement to each other, and then 361 and 119. 361 plus 119, and 11 is separated out because it doesn't have complement, or you have 5 numbers. So let's keep that apart. Now 456 plus 244, you can split this further into 400 plus 56, plus 56 plus 200 plus 44 plus 300 plus 61 plus 100 plus 19 and plus 11. Now you would be wondering that again we are going to use complementary numbers technique. Upon split up, we come to know that 56 and 44, that is 6 and 4, are complement to each other. 61 and 19 are complement to each other. That makes your addition process very simple. So 400 plus 200, you can group it any way you want, plus 56 plus 44 plus 300 and 100, I will directly write it as 400 plus 61 and 19. 61 plus 19 plus 11. So 400 plus 200 is 600 plus 56 and 44. 50 plus 40 is 90. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 100 plus 400 plus 60 plus 10 is 70. 70 plus 10 is 80 plus 11. So that gives your answer. So 600 plus 100 is 700. 700 plus 400 is 1100. That is 1100 plus 80 and 11. These two gives 91. So the answer is 1191. That's the easiest way of adding with respect to complementary number technique. You will see that there are lots of steps involved, and you might feel that this is simpler, this method is simpler, but it is actually not. Here you are prone to commit mistakes because of carryover of numbers and other stuffs. However, over here it's highly impossible, because what you are doing is just split up of numbers, break them into simple terms, and then you add it up with whichever number you want, and then get the sum as easily as possible. Once you start practicing this, you can do it in your brains itself. You don't need a pen and paper to do the addition of these numbers. That's the advantage of using the complementary numbers technique. In the next video, we will see other methods of addition of numbers using Vedic Maths.